This is your website. Looking at it, yeah, it looks pretty good. It looks like you could have some more content though. I only got 265 words, so I would add. I always like to have at least 1,000, but the more content, the better. Google loves content, so you can't go wrong with adding more content. Also, have keywords organically in the content as well. Have them location specific too. Um, Another thing, if I can find an image, um, let's see if I can find one. I don't know if you have any images on here, but if you had images, you'd want to have them saved as with keywords in them. Yeah, I'm not finding any images, but you'd want to have it saved with keywords. I'll check a competitor in a second. Um, I have that there. That's so floor contractor Edison, New Jersey. Look to be pretty close to where you service. I believe you service this area. If not, sorry about that. But there'd be ads here first, and then there would be the GMB. And this is organic ranking. This is all just directories, basically. Coming down and grabbing this person. This is what his website looks like. He's got more content. He's got 918. So to beat that, you probably want 1,500. You go up 2,000. You go as high as you want. But then here, let's look at these images. See what they're saved as. He doesn't have it saved right, but you'd want this saved as uh, floor contractor, Edison, New Jersey, or whatever keyword you want to have it saved as. Um, Next thing is I go into Ahrefs, punched in. You got UR of 12 and a DR of 0.1. You got 90 backlinks, 12 referring domains, and 3 keywords that you're ranking for. Um, but yeah, we can come in here and see what you got, as well as what keywords you're ranking for. You want to get the higher DR and UR scores. This was no fall, so that's why it's not giving you any strength. But we could come down here. You get this one's not a bad one, but is that you? Yeah, this is just a link from you. It is a do follow, but linking to yourself doesn't. You can pass power strength within your pages, but it's not going to give from other pages. Yeah, that's another one from you. Looks like most of these are just no follow, probably from directories. Big Yellow, I think that's a directory. So it's basically a citation that you'd get. But we can come check out your competitor. I'm going to show you what keywords you're ranking for as well. This isn't perfect. It's just, but it's something. Let's see. You're ranking for these. It's not really location specific though. Let's go check out your competitor. You see he's got 28,000 backlinks, 220 free referring domains, 3,100 organic keywords, and he gets 1,500 traffic. That's where you get your Google's not giving you any traffic. And he's got pretty good UR and DR scores. But we can come in here and grab the backlinks that he has, grab the best ones he's got, all the good ones. Let's see. SearsClean.com. So this is a pretty good one right here, 52 and 50. I would come in here and see what why he's got this. It looks like it's just another one of yeah. So this is another. So he probably owns this, and it's just linking to himself with a different domain. So that doesn't obviously he's not going to give his competitor a backlink. Those are no follow. We're going to come in here and find ones that we do like. There's 553 pages of them. Then we can go to other competitors and find ones that we like as well. Ways you can, and then we can go out and get our own. Ways you can get them would be blogs, guest posts, blog commenting, sponsors, news articles, basically anything that can link back to you. You want to make sure you get ones that are relevant to your industry. So you'd want home repair or flooring, contractors, other ones that deal with renovations and services similar to yours. You won't want like surfing or fast food restaurants linking back to you. It's not going to give you any power. Google's pretty smart. Let's check out what this guy's ranking for. Yeah, a bunch of national keywords. But let's type in. Edison. See how he's doing there. So obviously that's himself. Window repair. I don't. Let's see. Flooring. Edison, New Jersey. 40 people searched that a month. He's 8 KD, so it's decent to rank for. Basically, the higher the KD, the harder it's going to be. 0 through 1 and 2, 3 they're all really easy to rank for. 8's a little bit tougher, but it's not too bad. Let's see. Tile, Edison, New Jersey, 30 volume, 5 KD. You can grab that one. Tiles, as the S there. Same volume, but it's easier to rank for that one. And we just come in here and find all the ones that we really like. All the ones with higher volume, lower KD, as well as we can grab the higher KD ones as well. It's just going to be harder to rank for those ones. And then we could change this out to other cities nearby. See if there's any keywords that we want from those as well. The next thing would be the GMB. I saw you had yours already set up. You can get another one in other cities if you know someone there that would let you use their address. But then you want to make sure it's 100% set up, and then the photos would be the content. So the more photos, the better. This guy doesn't have any photos. So this guy, he's not really set up. I don't know why he's the top on here. That doesn't make sense. But then the next thing, also make sure the photos are keyword, stay with keywords as well. More citations than this guy. I'm sure you know what citations are since you have 11 of them. These are the ones you have. But yeah, you can go out there and grab as many as you want. There's a bunch of free ones out there. There's some you have to pay for as well, but Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's all kinds of them out there. It's just time consuming getting them, but it's something you can do. The more you have, the better it is. But yeah, hopefully that helps. Hopefully it gives you an idea of stuff you can do. Thanks for watching. If you want, we can talk more. We can do a phone call or video call. But if not, that's okay too. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.